The last part of this page we need to create is the footer. And the footer again contains the navigation labels and also a copyright line. So again, we'll need to create a table at the end of our last one. And this table has a background color of black. That's the hex code for black. Now insert a table row. And inside this table row, insert a column. Now just go ahead and insert the content inside this column. And so we've attached a font attribute. We've inserted the labels. So home, about, services, clients, and contact. And right underneath that, after our break, we've inserted the copyright line. And so that's it. I'll save this file and refresh. And we can see the footer is now there. And I'll expand the page. And you can see that the entire page has now come together.